Here I'm sharing my top 5 free plugins that I use every day to create my animations. The last plugin on this list is so good, I honestly have no idea how it's free. Our first plugin, Motion Tools Pro, is basically an all-in-one motion design toolkit. Huge thanks to the Motion Design School team for making this amazing plugin available for free. Second plugin, Animation Composer. This plugin provides a vast library of motion presets, pre-comps, and sound effects for motion designers. It's designed to save time and effort by offering a wide range of animation options that can be easily applied to layers and transitions. The plugin boasts a new user interface, faster previews, and a separate Edit tab for customization. Searching for effects in the Effects and Presets tab can take extra time. That's where FX Console comes in. Just select your layer, search the effect or preset you want, and apply it instantly. This plugin is designed to streamline your workflow by making it way easier to find, manage, and apply effects. The Motion Bro plugin simplifies the process of applying and customizing these assets within the editing software. This plugin offers a diverse selection of presets, transitions, and other tools for enhancing video projects, including seamless transitions, graphics packs, and more. And here comes the last and most powerful plugin, Saber. Big shout out to Andrew Kramer for this gem. The Saber plugin is one of the best plugins for Adobe After Effects, and it's totally free. You can create a variety of effects using the Saber plugin like neon type text, energy beams, and other VFX purposes. You can find all the download links in the descriptions. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram.